In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple process, how to switch back to the original Gmail interface. Now, whether you've been exploring the new interface and it feels a little too different, or you simply prefer the classic look, getting back to that familiar layout is straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the Google account that you use for Gmail. This is crucial because the settings changes will only apply to the account you're logged into. Next, head over to Gmail by either typing Gmail into the search bar and clicking the first result, or by directly typing mailgoogle.com into your address bar. This will take you straight to your Gmail inbox. Once inside, take a look at the layout. You might notice that Google is continually improving its user experience with new designs and updates, but sometimes these changes don't meet everyone's preferences. On the top right corner of your Gmail page, you'll find a gear-shaped icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal your settings menu. Now in this menu, you might see an option labeled something along the lines of Go back to the classic Gmail or Switch back to original view. It's worth noting that Google sometimes labels this differently. So if at first you don't see these exact words, look for any option that suggests reverting changes. Click on this option and voila! Your page will refresh and you'll be brought back to the familiar, original Gmail design. It's almost like coming